is rated PG. It contains themes and scenes which may not be suitable for very young audiences. Parental guidance is advised.
SNTV News Center Cut to the Bears. Maasahan, hindi lang sa salita, subog na sa kapwa.
Halika na, umikit limutin ang problema.